Using an electric razor to shave your face or other body parts has been a common practice since the early mid-1900s. When these revolutionary razors came with rechargeable batteries and better blades, more and more folks got their hands on one, in hopes to attain baby-smooth skin in half the time of a traditional razor. Some new units can cost upwards of $300, and prices like this may put you off from making the switch. Luckily, we have one for under $100 that can help you decide if electric razors are right for you. What's up everyone, I'm Jonathan from JoPaTech, and this is my review of the SweetLF Electric Razor. The SweetLF Wet Dry Electric Razor, model SWS7105, is a modern-looking electric razor with no frills. You get an ergonomic and sleek design which feels nice in the hand and weighs only 166 grams or 5.9 ounces. This is a rotary-style razor which has blades underneath the separators in order to cut the hair as it enters, leaving the skin relatively untouched. There are 3 blades working in tandem on a 3D floating head which contours to the curves of your face and other body parts. The SweetLF Electric Razor comes with a double-track close-to-face cutter which decreases the time you spend shaving and helps to prevent pulling. One cool feature of this razor is the built-in trimmer, which you can use to help line up your beard or to give your privates a little bit more flair. You'll be happy to know this unit is IPX7 waterproof, so you can take it in the shower, shave with creams, and even rinse it out after you're done. The SweetLF Electric Razor houses a USB rechargeable 800 mAh lithium-ion battery and is slated to get you 120 minutes of shaving time. I've used this unit a handful of times already since my first charge, and I'm sitting around 80%. The battery indicator on the front shows you the state of charge in 20% increments. The company claims a 60-minute charge time to get from 0 to 100, with a 5-minute boost charge to get you one shaving session if the unit was fully dead. I appreciate the use of USB charging, which makes travel charging much easier, albeit with a micro USB connector. Because of how well this razor holds a charge, I don't see you needing to bring a charging cable with you, unless you're gone for a couple of months. In that case, I envy you. Before I had my first shave with the SweetLF Electric Razor, I did a bit of research into using one of these things. My entire life has been on the manual side of shaving, cartridge razors and safety razors. Using my knowledge of how to shave properly in multiple directions, I figure, hey, this should be fairly similar. I discovered your face is gonna need to get used to an electric razor, and oh boy, that couldn't be more true. My first time with this, it tore up my neck area pretty bad. My Adam's apple is very sensitive, and after I was done, it looked like I had a date with a very hungry vampire. The second time was less damage and more irritation. The third time was minor irritation, which was quickly rectified with some aftershave. After that time, only minor redness around my neck. This unit is fairly quiet, although I can't really compare it to other electric razors on the market. You will be able to hear any music you have on in the bathroom or if someone is knocking at your door to come in. Using the pop-up trimmer was a pleasing experience as I didn't have to get out my trusty trimmer to straighten out some lines on my beard. It's responsive and sharp as long as you go in the right direction, otherwise it will just fold back to a closed position. So far I have had some decent shaves with fairly smooth results. The SweetLF Electric Razor does a great job at cutting shaving time in half for a very reasonable cost. No, it won't be a baby smooth finish compared to the likes of my safety razor, but it does what it's supposed to. If you're new to electric razors like me, take your time, go slow, and don't add too much pressure, and you should have the confidence you need to face the world outside with a beautifully clean shave. Unless you rock a full beard and look better with it, and then you shouldn't be watching this video. But hey, thanks for the view. If you want to get your hands on the SweetLF Electric Razor, you can find it on Amazon or try buying directly from the company on their own website. Quick side note, Amazon also sells replacement blades and heads at a very low cost. So hopefully you can get years of use out of this one electric razor. Thanks for watching my review of the SweetLF Electric Razor, and if you found it helpful, a like and a subscribe would be greatly appreciated. And don't forget to ding that notification bell. And if you haven't already, click here to check out my unboxing of the SweetLF Electric Razor. I'm Jonathan from JoPaTech, and I will see you all in the next one. Happy shaving! I discovered that getting used... If you're new to thanks for watching my review of the